is Simplifying Rational Expressions Advanced. Our goal is to simplify a rational expression. A rational expression is the quotient of two polynomials, in other words, division. Examples are 2n divided by n minus 2, or we have the x squared plus 3x minus 10 being divided by 3x plus 2. A rational expression is in the simplest form when the numerator and the denominator have no common factors other than 1. So if we take a look at this fraction, 9 over 15, and we break it into the factors, 3 times 3 over 3 times 5, notice how the 3's cancel and we are left with 3 over 5. So this is a simplification down to the lowest factors that we need. So again, if you look at this one though, we have 3 times 3 on top, but notice we have 3 plus 5. So the top is multiplication and the bottom is addition. So no simplification can happen. You cannot cross out the 3's. How to get a rational expression in simplest form. You can factor the numerator completely. You might need to factor out a common factor, might have a difference of squares, or bottoms up. You must factor the denominator completely. Factor out a common factor, difference of squares, cancel out any common factors, not add-ins. Okay, what's the difference between a factor and an add-in? A factor is in between a multiplication sign. Okay, we're multiplying. An add-in is between an addition or subtraction sign. Examples of add-in are like x plus 3 or 3x plus 9, x minus 9, or 6x plus 3. Okay? All right, let's look at this. We're going to simplify the 5x minus 10 divided by 5x. What would we do in order to find our way to our answer? That's right, we're going to factor, and we can factor out a 5 from the 5x minus 10 for 5 times x minus 2 divided by 5x. Notice how the 5's cancel, and we're left with an x minus 2 over x. What about this? We have a quadratic and a difference of squares. So how would these factor? Okay, right, you must factor the quadratics to see if you can cancel any terms. So notice that y squared plus 3y plus 2 is easily factored by remembering that 2 and 1 are the factors of 2 and they add up to be 3. Remember that y squared minus 1 is the difference of squares, and you get the same variable and number, just a different sign. So please notice that we have y plus 1 in the numerator and the denominator, and so we're left with y plus 2 over y minus 1. What about these numbers? Common factors of 12, 24, and 48. They have a number of them, but which one are we going to use? That's right, we're going to use the 12. So we're going to factor out 12 to get 12 times y plus 2 and 12 times 4y. So 12 is the largest common factor. Notice that they, of course, are going to cancel, and so we get y plus 2 over 4y. All right, let's take a look at this. What do these all have in common? Yeah, everybody has a variable x. So we're going to factor out the x. They're going to cancel, and we'll be left with 2x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. All right, here we have 2 more quadratics. Our numerator is a what? Yeah, again, we're looking at the difference of squares with a squared minus 9 and a quadratic to factor. We are going to factor both of these, and notice that we have an a minus 3 in the numerator and the denominator, leaving us with an a plus 3 over a plus 5. Not sure where that one came from. All right, let's take a look at this. This is x minus 4 divided by 4 minus x, okay? You need to pay attention to these because by factoring out a negative 1, you can turn the denominator into x minus 4. See that? Then you're going to cancel out the x minus 4s from the numerator and the denominator, leaving you with a negative 1. Thank you for your cooperation. Keep calm because this is the end.